So it is like 6:30 in the morning. We got up super early. What are we doing?
We're gonna take photos.
We're gonna take some photos. I think we're gonna have some to hang up just in our house, and then just to remember the trip by, I think, in general. And the first place we ended up at was
the skate park.
the skate park. So we're gonna snag some photos. We'll show you what they look like. I'm sure we'll have them done and edited. Olivia will probably have them edited by the time we leave.
Yep.
Let's do it. Hey guys, I actually forgot my camera this morning. We went out to eat. We went to a little breakfast place called
Kona's.
And it was super good. They have like breakfast burritos, coffee. They had this really funny sticker that I filmed as well. But yeah, it was super fun. We just came back here. We were getting ready to go to the Botanical Gardens, which I know you've done some research for, just to see what's kind of there. But yeah, should be super fun, chill day. It's Sunday here, so we'll probably drive around quite a bit, walk around a little bit, but really just take a lot of photos and soak up our last few days here.
And maybe take a nap.
What's good? We are at the Botanical Gardens. We've made it to this lake. It's been pretty chill, pretty cool. You can see the crazy mountain over there. And then we got a bunch of cool photos while we're here. We'll put them all right here. Anything you'd like to add?
No, it's beautiful. And the weather is perfect and it hasn't rained on us yet.
Hasn't rained yet. Thumbs up. What's good, vlog? We're on our way to check out some... What are they called? Also, we saw this earlier. Picking or removal of any plant material is not allowed. And we totally saw like this super yellow, fuzzy looking plant. And I was like, Liv, you gotta feel this. Like, it feels crazy. I think she took a photo of it. We'll put that photo here. But yeah, don't know anything about this plant, so if our hands fall off, it's because we didn't read the signs. That's just the way it is. This one is kind of gnarly. This is the one though. There's definitely coconuts up there. Check out the size of this leaf we found. It's the size of a leaf.
We just got back from the Botanical Gardens. As you saw, the best part was really the first part of it. The rest of it kind of got interesting. But we are making a pit stop on our way back to the Airbnb, and we are going to grab some food truck chicken from
Huli Mike's. And I'm excited because you guys have seen us before get Hawaiian Bros. We're big fans. So this is kind of the same food, but it's actually from someone here in Hawaii.
And we're gonna compare them.
So we're gonna compare them and we'll let you know which one is better. So, plot twist, Huli Mike's was pretty good, but I actually do not think that it is better than Hawaiian Bros. So if you want the best Huli chicken, I recommend Hawaiian Bros in Kansas City. Doesn't make sense, that's what I recommend. So we're on our way now to get some shave ice. We'll keep you an update on what flavors we get. Super excited, haven't gotten any yet here. And we did find out it is shave ice, not shaved ice. So, and it looks like they're closed.
No.
So we found a place. I don't think we thought they would be this big. Look at this. Yeah, this is crazy. So we're gonna go back to the condo and eat them. I'm gonna have Olivia hold mine so I can actually drive. We'll let you know how they are. Okay, how is it?
It's good. I don't taste, so I've never had shave ice with ice cream in it, and I don't taste the ice cream yet.
It's at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see at the bottom.
So far good. I got strawberry.
I got strawberry banana, and we were probably like a mile and a half maybe away from our Airbnb, and it like melted so fast. We started to get on the Jeep and everything else, so we kind of sprinted inside. Figured we'd have us like actually eating it here, but I think we're gonna go ahead and finish these, and then maybe relax a little bit. We might go to the beach. Not really sure, but we're gonna enjoy these. We'll see you guys later.